Hello dear fans. How much energy is in lightning? Lightning has long worried and frightened people with its unpredictability, beauty, and terrible destructive power. As soon as the electrical nature of this phenomenon became clear, the question arose, is it possible to catch and use it for peaceful purposes? And, in general, how much energy is in one lightning? Calculation of the lightning energy reserve. According to research, the maximum voltage of a lightning discharge is 50 million volts, and the current strength can be up to 100,000 amperes. However, to calculate the energy reserve of a conventional discharge, it is better to take average data, a potential difference of 20 million volts and a current of 20,000 amperes. During a lightning discharge, the potential decreases to zero, therefore, to correctly determine the power of a lightning discharge, the voltage should be divided by 2. Next, you need to multiply the voltage by the current. You get the average power of the lightning discharge, 200 million kilowatts. It is known that the average discharge lasts 0.001 seconds, so the power should be divided by 1000. To get more familiar data, you can divide the result by 3600, the number of seconds in an hour, you get 55.5 kilowatt hours. It will be interesting to calculate the cost of this energy, at a price of 3 rubles per kilowatt hour. It will be 166.7 rubles. Can lightning be tamed? The average frequency of lightning strikes in Russia is about 2 to 4 per square kilometer. Considering that thunderstorms occur everywhere, a large number of lightning rods will be needed to catch them. Only discharges between charged clouds and the ground can be considered as a source of energy. To collect electricity, you will also need high-voltage high-capacity capacitors, voltage-stabilizing converters. Such equipment is quite expensive, and calculations have been repeatedly carried out to prove the inefficiency and unprofitableness of this method of generating energy. The reason for the low efficiency lies, first of all, in the nature of lightning. With a spark discharge, most of the energy is spent on heating the air and the lightning rod itself. In addition, the station will operate only in summer, and even then not every day. The riddle of ball lightning. Sometimes during a thunderstorm, an unusual ball lightning appears. It glows, brightly or dimly, on average, like a 100-watt lamp, has a yellowish or reddish tint, moves slowly, and often flies into rooms. The size of a ball or ellipse varies from a few centimeters to 2 to 3 meters, but on average is 15 to 30 centimeters. Despite the close study of this phenomenon, its nature is still not clear. During a thunderstorm, objects and people are positively charged, and the fact that ball lightning bypasses them indicates a positive charge. It is attracted to negatively charged objects and may even explode. Ball lightning appears due to the energy of ordinary lightning, at the place of its break, bifurcation, or at the place of impact. There are 2 hypotheses of its physical nature. According to the first, it receives energy from the outside constantly, and due to this it lives for some time. Proponents of another hypothesis believe that lightning becomes an independent object after its appearance and maintains its shape due to the energy received from ordinary lightning. No one has yet succeeded in calculating the energy of ball lightning. Thanks for watching.